dancers. Unbelievable. Eko, iba ka pa rin talaga. We need you sa ganitong mga material. Thank you. And of course, the rest. Inay, napaka-hopeful ng pagpasok mo. Hindi pang the moment she enters, parang buhay na. Yung napawi na yung pagod natin, awa natin kay Jasmine because of Aster. And of course, break, as we, ayan, ay ang bilis. Nakaset up agad ng Miss Nancy. Arseka. Okay, yun po. Nakaposisyon na po ang press dito sa harap. Exactly why, thank you. From Jelina Magdangal pa, Jollibee ni Jelina. Thank you, Mare. There she is. Wow. Excited na ako. Ang dami kong tanong, actually. Pero let me just say this. So Rondel, Miss Kylie, congratulations! Our two boss heads of gym would like to request the name cast. Say something stay while waiting for the pupuntahan ni birthday boy seat. Light men, everyone. LED team, everyone. Sobra. Kasi just before midnight and dito na sila setting up. Thank you, the whole team. Thank you so much. Okay. Is the... Ate Tang! Ano yun si Ate Tang? Sino pa ito? Of course! The great Donna, Miguel Rico, and Kuya Romel. Another job well done. Where's Winsha?
Jody.
Wala? Andiyan na na.
Jody, congrats.
Alright. Miss Alvin, saan pupunta? Baba niyo lang. Hi na. Ayun. Sige, okay. Ako rin.
Oh my God.
Milo.
Ayun, ako
Pamo.
na MJ.
Si Pos. Si Pos.
Pamo.
Hintay lang natin magbigay ng 10-minute break.
Janine!
We will start.
Janine!
Yes, thank you, Rebecca Center. Mildred ba ako na dito?
Janine! Oh my God! Eva!
Skate at the heart ng Teba. Albert Emilio, I saw. Tita As, Tita As, how are you? Mildred is here. Yes! Kabang na dyan si Nas. Si Erickson Lai.